The Model 2 showcases over 20 design modifications from the Model Y, featuring simpler body parts and a streamlined sensor arrangement aimed at reducing production costs. In the community, debates arise regarding the Model 2's comfort. Some enthusiasts express disappointment over the cost-cutting measures, while others appreciate the emphasis on affordability. Significant design alterations include the potential absence of a panoramic glass roof and simplified lighting arrangements, reflecting a clear shift towards minimalism. Interior modifications in the Model 2 feature a reduction in entertainment options and the introduction of fabric seats instead of vegan leather, both aimed at lowering costs. Tesla is exploring LFP battery packs for their cost efficiency, prioritizing safety and longevity, even though this battery type has a lower energy density compared to others. Aluminum-ion batteries offer potential advantages such as rapid charging, but they also present challenges related to energy density, impacting the Model 2's range and weight. Transitioning to aluminum-ion batteries necessitates substantial investment in new production lines and technology upgrades, which are vital for maintaining high quality and performance standards. These aluminum-ion batteries provide enhanced thermal stability and safety, helping to alleviate some drawbacks of lower energy density, particularly in extreme temperature conditions. The sustainability and recycling potential of aluminum-ion technology might yield lower overall costs throughout the vehicle's lifespan, counterbalancing higher initial manufacturing expenses. Tesla's Model 2 is approaching completion, with most regulatory and technical hurdles addressed. The swift production timeline post-unveiling indicates a bright future for affordable electric vehicles. Positioned as a compact crossover, the Model 2 leverages existing manufacturing processes to keep costs down. This strategic choice aligns with a market increasingly gravitating towards crossovers. Tesla's strategy to lower production costs includes utilizing larger cast parts, aiming to reduce complexity and enhance efficiency. This approach aspires to make the Model 2 the most produced vehicle in history. Types of the Model 2 are currently undergoing testing, with mass deliveries anticipated by the year 2026. This anticipation underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to both innovation and market leadership. In addressing the critical concerns surrounding lithium battery lifespan and performance degradation, the Model 2 incorporates advanced aluminum and sodium-ion batteries. These innovations promise to deliver longer-lasting power to users, enhancing the overall user experience. A notable advancement of the Model 2 is its rapid charging capability of 10C, enabling a full charge within approximately 15 minutes. This significant technological leap markedly enhances the driving experience for users, reducing downtime. Furthermore, the Model 2 is capable of achieving ranges exceeding 5.5 million kilometers with minimal battery degradation, which greatly diminishes the need for replacements over an extended period. Such durability enhances the vehicle's overall appeal. In addition, Tesla's redesigned production flow emphasizes affordability, successfully reducing production costs by approximately 50%. This strategic move aims to make electric vehicles more accessible within the mass market while optimizing both cost efficiency and production effectiveness. Employing giga-casting technology facilitates the production of unified components for the Model 2, effectively eliminating hundreds of welds and thereby enhancing assembly line efficiency. This innovation simultaneously contributes to the vehicle's overall structural integrity. Moreover, the structural foundation of the Model 2 is engineered to absorb severe crash impacts, offering improved deformation control akin to a protective shield. Such design considerations prioritize passenger safety during collisions. The enhancement of Tesla's multi-layered AI perception system effectively eliminates the issue of phantom braking, which has been a common complaint among previous model owners. This upgrade significantly enhances driving safety, particularly during prolonged trips. In terms of user interface, the redesigned door system of the Model 2 features touchless sensors alongside a manual backup mechanism for emergencies. This innovation substantially reduces the risk of injuries that may occur during power failures. Additionally, the incorporation of graphene-infused rubber in the Model 2 tires results in improved durability by 37% when compared to traditional tires, enhancing performance across various weather conditions and effectively reducing the risks of hydroplaning. Finally, the smart adaptive suspension system in the Model 2 responds swiftly to changing road conditions, providing a ride quality comparable to high-end sedans. This advanced system, equipped with electromagnetic dampers, adapts stiffness in mere milliseconds. Furthermore, the self-maintenance system of the Model 2 utilizes over 200 sensors to continuously monitor vehicle health and predict maintenance needs. This innovative feature has the potential to save owners significant costs and time associated with repairs. This strategy enables Optimus to disseminate acquired tasks across multiple robotic units, forming a decentralized learning network. This architecture enhances operational efficiency and user experience as new capabilities are integrated. Optimus showcases significant dexterity in its hands and arms, allowing effective interaction with tools and various objects. This design prioritizes practical applications in factory settings over mere imitation of human motion. Tesla's extensive experience in artificial intelligence and data analytics equips it well for the advancement of Optimus. The robot leverages a mature AI ecosystem, honed through vast amounts of real-world data. In contrast to Spang, Tesla's approach prioritizes the integration of Optimus into its manufacturing workflows, ensuring that the robot's practical applications are immediately realized. This direct application establishes a valuable platform for ongoing enhancements. The Tesla Pi phone features an exceptionally durable design, utilizing aerospace-grade titanium alongside a self-healing nanocoating, resulting in a device that significantly outperforms competitors, such as the iPhone, in terms of strength and longevity. Tesla's advanced battery technology surpasses that of traditional smartphones, delivering exceptional longevity and efficiency. The implementation of aluminum-ion batteries enables prolonged usage and reduces the frequency of needed recharges. The camera system integrates 548-megapixel lenses coupled with sophisticated image processing capabilities derived from Tesla's vehicle AI. This methodology aspires to enhance photo quality without succumbing to the pressures of the megapixel race. The AI imaging engine within the Pi phone elevates photo quality by automatically modulating lighting and eliminating distractions, rendering it particularly advantageous for photographers. This functionality distinctly separates it from competing devices. Tesla's XOS is an entirely structural adhesives are utilized in the assembly of the Model 2 to facilitate the creation of a continuous load path. This innovative approach significantly improves vibration distribution and enhances overall body stiffness, thereby augmenting the vehicle's longevity and enriching the driving experience. Furthermore, the implementation of standardized fasteners streamlines the repair and maintenance processes, which enables expeditious service times while minimizing the incidence of tool mix-ups. Consequently, this development leads to reduced repair costs for vehicle owners. Moreover, anti-corrosion treatments are administered to subassemblies prior to the final assembly stage, markedly enhancing the vehicle's rust resistance. As a result, owners will observe a notable decrease in corrosion-related issues even after prolonged use. In addition to this, the underbody design incorporates a flat under tray along with strategically placed access panels, which serve to shield against mud and water damage. This design not only protects the vehicle but also improves aerodynamics and efficiency during highway driving. Transitioning to Tesla's chip protection strategy, it is noteworthy that the design includes reinforced sills and composite liners. These components are specifically engineered to absorb impacts, thereby reducing instances of paint chipping and preventing rust through effective surface preservation. In terms of interior design, the Model 2 showcases a minimalist cabin that features intuitive controls. These elements allow drivers to operate various functions by feel, thereby enhancing their focus on the road and simplifying the overall user experience. Notably, the Model 2 incorporates mineral fiber composite materials, which provide enhanced durability and scratch resistance compared to conventional faux leather. This choice contributes significantly to maintaining a long-lasting interior appearance. Extending the principles of minimalist design, the door modules in the Model 2 are crafted for rapid repairs, permitting the replacement of entire units rather than individual components. This approach not only enhances efficiency but also reduces service time considerably. The rear semi-independent suspension system of the Model 2 is engineered to minimize wear points, resulting in fewer age-related issues and promoting a more durable setup ideal for daily commuting. This design philosophy prioritizes practicality over extreme performance. Additionally, the integrated hub and bearing system facilitates quick replacements, consequently minimizing labor time and reducing the likelihood of future mechanical issues. This design choice underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to service efficiency. Furthermore, the Tesla Model 2 features common tire sizes which contribute to lowering replacement costs and enhancing availability. This pragmatic approach ultimately benefits owners by alleviating financial burdens associated with tire maintenance. The adoption of IP67 rated connectors throughout the vehicle significantly heightens durability, as these connectors effectively shield electronic components from moisture and dust. This protective measure ensures the consistent functionality of features over time, even under adverse weather conditions. Moreover, the cabin air filter in the Tesla Model 2 is designed with longevity in mind, featuring a larger filter box that diminishes the frequency of necessary replacements. This enhancement aids in maintaining air quality over an extended period. In constructing the Tesla Model 2, a combination of glued and welded shell components is employed to ensure both stiffness and durability. This robust build plays a pivotal role in contributing to the overall reliability of the vehicle. Lastly, inside the Model 2, practical design elements such as tactile knobs and modular door components are integrated to simplify repairs and maintenance procedures. This user-friendly approach significantly elevates the overall ownership experience. Musk's decision to reduce the price of the Model 2 to $14,999 represents a calculated response to the intensifying competition posed by BYD and other automotive manufacturers. This aggressive pricing strategy is designed to capture a more substantial share of the market. The Model 2 is conceptualized as a compact hatchback, introducing a novel design language for Tesla. This strategic shift reflects a transition from predominantly high-end models to more accessible options aimed at a broader consumer base. Initial leaks indicate that, despite its reduced price, the Model 2 is poised to exceed customer expectations with its innovative design features. These features encompass a streamlined headlight design and a fully integrated body structure, enhancing aesthetic appeal and functionality. The choice to implement a conventional four-door configuration for the Model 2 enhances its practicality while maintaining lower manufacturing costs, especially when contrasted with more intricate designs, such as Falcon wing doors. While there is a clear emphasis on cost efficiency, certain premium features are notably sacrificed in the Model 2, signifying a deliberate focus on affordability as a means to achieve mass-market appeal. Tesla is transitioning to aluminum-ion batteries for the Model 2, which potentially offer higher energy density and reduced costs. This development is critical for Tesla's competitive stance in the burgeoning affordable electric vehicle market. The anticipated cost savings associated with the incorporation of aluminum-ion battery technology could substantially lower production expenses for Tesla's Model 2. This innovation marks a pivotal advancement toward making electric vehicles more accessible. Elon Musk asserts the humanoid robots, such as Optimus, may prove to be more transformative than Tesla's previous vehicle models. With a projected price point of $20,000, Optimus is positioned to disrupt the market significantly. Spang's competitive advantage resides in its reduced manufacturing costs and expedited deployment capabilities within China. This positioning poses a challenge to Tesla's leadership in software and artificial intelligence technology in the humanoid robot sector. The intensifying competition within the humanoid robot market is underscored by the emergence of the Spang Iron robot, which is garnering considerable attention and acclaim for its technological advancements. Elon Musk envisions the Tesla Optimus as a transformative entity, asserting its potential to eradicate poverty and revolutionize the nature of work by generating income through its operational capabilities. Tesla's existing electric vehicle technologies are being harnessed to develop Optimus, thereby solidifying the company's standing as a frontrunner in the robotics industry, leveraging its already established technical competence. Optimus 3 is expected to exhibit an uncanny realism, potentially being mistaken for a human in a robotic guise, which signifies a major evolution in design. Musk aims for its release in the first quarter of the following year. Tesla's engineers have invested significant resources in training Optimus through motion capture technology, enabling the robot to execute intricate tasks, such as cooking and cleaning, with remarkable precision. Optimus operates on a decentralized learning network, which facilitates knowledge sharing across all units, thereby ensuring that any advancements are made instantly available to every robot within the system. With approximately 40 degrees of freedom, particularly in its hands, Optimus is capable of performing tasks such as tool handling and clothing folding effectively. This emphasis on utility significantly informs its design. The AI infrastructure supporting Optimus utilizes Tesla's extensive real-world data derived from its self-driving vehicles, enhancing its learning capabilities and reliability across diverse environments, thus distinguishing Tesla from its competitors. Tesla's strategy entails introducing Optimus initially within its own manufacturing facilities, creating a perpetual training environment for ongoing improvements. This approach contrasts with rival firms that are targeting consumer-focused markets. The design of the Tesla Pi phone emphasizes durability, employing materials such as aerospace-grade titanium and a self-healing nano coating, thereby outperforming competitors like the iPhone 17 in terms of toughness. This design philosophy ensures a long-lasting, functional device. Leveraging advanced battery technology through aluminum-ion cells, as opposed to traditional lithium-ion cells, the Pi phone offers enhanced longevity and superior performance. This innovation enables the device to stream for an impressive 57 hours, vastly exceeding competitor offerings. Tesla prioritizes a practical camera system over sheer megapixel counts, featuring 548 megapixel cameras complemented by sophisticated image processing. This methodology aims to deliver quality photographic outcomes devoid of the superfluous gimmicks often associated with conventional brands. The Pi phone's AI imaging technology enhances the photography experience by autonomously adjusting settings and eliminating distractions, thereby producing high-quality images across varying lighting conditions. This capability appeals particularly to photography enthusiasts. Equipped with the X23 chip, the Pi phone excels in multitasking and is adept at handling high-performance tasks such as gaming and video editing, outpacing the capabilities of Apple's iPhone 17 series. With the provision of lifetime free Starlink internet, the Pi phone guarantees reliable connectivity in remote locations, thereby alleviating the burden of monthly fees and facilitating internet access where traditional providers are inadequate. Tesla's control over its supply chain empowers the company to maintain low costs, positioning it advantageously against the rising prices of competitors like Apple and Samsung. This operational efficiency serves as a significant strategic advantage. The Pi phone serves as an entry point into Tesla's broader ecosystem, which includes Starlink and various other products, thereby emphasizing connectivity rather than merely focusing on hardware specifications. This strategy is geared towards fostering long-term user engagement. Elon Musk's timing for the launch of the Pi phone coincides with a growing consumer dissatisfaction directed at Apple's iPhone 17, presenting Tesla with a strategic opportunity to attract users who are seeking viable alternatives. This calculated maneuver positions Tesla advantageously within the market. The new Tesla model anticipates substantial sales that outpace previous iterations, with production capabilities designed to achieve thousands of units daily. This strategic advancement holds the potential to redefine Tesla's positioning within the automotive market. In response to increasing competitive pressures from Chinese automotive manufacturers, particularly BYD, Elon Musk has implemented a pricing strategy that emphasizes competitiveness, thereby addressing the market dynamics of lower-priced electric vehicles. Initial responses to the Model 2 have varied, with a segment of consumers expressing skepticism regarding the quality associated with lower pricing, while others exhibit enthusiasm about the prospect of owning a Tesla for the first time. Tesla has opted for a conventional four-door design for the Model 2, thereby prioritizing practicality and usability over more extravagant mechanisms, such as the Falcon Wing doors. This decision enhances the vehicle's convenience for urban consumers. The Model 2 is engineered to enhance accessibility to electric vehicles through the inclusion of a comprehensive self-driving hardware suite, aligning with Tesla's vision of an autonomous future. This integration assures a premium experience delivered at a more accessible price point. A noteworthy innovation in the model may second be the introduction of aluminum-ion batteries, which promise superior performance and cost efficiency compared to conventional lithium batteries. This advancement has the potential to significantly reshape the low-cost electric vehicle market. The emerging aluminum-ion battery technology is anticipated to facilitate lower costs and enhanced efficiency relative to lithium-ion counterparts, thereby broadening the accessibility of electric vehicles. This development is expected to substantially influence the pricing strategy for Tesla's Model 2. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, signifies a strategic transition toward artificial intelligence and robotics, potentially overshadowing the company's electric vehicle initiatives. The competition posed by Spang's less expensive robot heightens the stakes within the market. Elon Musk regards Optimus as a pivotal component for the future of labor, underlining the significant role of humanoid robots in the global market landscape. Both Tesla and Spang are engaged in a race to deliver their respective technologies to consumers. The swift evolution of humanoid robotics has yielded a multitude of announcements, intensifying competition within the sector. This rapid advancement reflects a remarkable shift in technological capabilities and market dynamics associated with robotics. Musk asserts that Tesla Optimus can surpass its rivals by executing essential household tasks, thus providing a functional edge. This versatility could resonate with consumers seeking practical robotic solutions for everyday activities. Elon Musk posits that the foundational technologies underlying Tesla vehicles are well suited for the development of humanoid robotics. This robust technological base positions Tesla to manufacture Optimus at scale with considerable efficacy. The Origin M1 humanoid robot from a head form exemplifies the uncanny valley phenomenon by closely replicating human expressions, which can evoke discomfort among observers. This highlights the intrinsic challenges in engineering human-like robotic entities. Optimus 2.5 is proficient in performing basic tasks such as spatial navigation and self-recharging, whereas Optimus 3 aims to achieve a more lifelike appearance and is scheduled for debut in the first quarter of the upcoming year. Tesla's innovative